Do you really know what you're talking about? I'm Douglas Brown, a business paramedic. I've been a business consultant for many years and I've given many talks about issues my customers have. And they've been very popular, but very few of them actually converted into follow-up meetings. I couldn't crack the secret as to what my secret sauce was. I've spent a few $1,000s on coaches without getting comfortable on that. One day I attended a meetup where Roger Killen was speaking about TEDx talks and the importance of a concise, powerful message. The price for his course on setting up a TED Talk was very reasonable, so what did I have to lose? The Legacy Talk Roadmap course that Roger Killen and Dorothea Hendricks offer is a 7-week small group coaching program that takes you through all the steps you need to plan and prepare a TEDx talk and get it accepted by TED organizers. But you also get plenty of coaching on the talk itself. My concise message went from a ridiculous 8,000 words to the 1,500 that you need for TED. With the noise stripped away, the message changed, became stronger, and became something I could really believe in. Even if I never give a TEDx talk, the sharp focus on my unique offering is something I've been seeking for years. I highly recommend that you take advantage of Roger and Dorothea's 7-week Legacy Talk Roadmap. You'll learn a lot about TEDx and a lot more about the real core of your unique message. At last, you'll know what you're talking about.